It's 2 a.m. You're staring at the ceiling. Your chest feels heavy. Your mind won't stop whispering. What if I fail? What if I lose everything? What if I'm not enough? Most of the time, it's not life that breaks us. It's our own thoughts. But there is a way to calm the storm without running from it. Picture this. You're preparing for a big presentation at work. Your mind screams, "You're not ready. You're going to mess this up. Everyone will laugh." But here's the thing. Your mind is like a bad lawyer, arguing every case even without evidence. Your thoughts are not facts. Think of them like notifications on your phone. Some matter, most don't. You don't have to open every one. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness watching them. Your boss sends a message. "We need to talk tomorrow." Instant panic. Am I in trouble? Am I getting fired? But pause. None of that is real yet. Right now, you're just sitting on your couch, breathing. And in this moment, you're safe. The future doesn't exist yet. One mindful breath is enough. You're stuck in traffic. A driver cuts you off. Your blood boils. But can you control how they drive? No. You can only control whether they ruin your day. Life is like holding sand in your hand. The tighter you squeeze, the more slips away. Real peace doesn't come from controlling the world. It comes from mastering your reaction. Think back to your hardest moments. A breakup, a layoff, a betrayal. At the time, you felt shattered. But like lifting weights at the gym, resistance is what builds strength. The days you thought would break you were the very days shaping you. Someone leaves a nasty comment online. Your instinct, fire back. Defend yourself. But every reaction costs a piece of your peace. Sometimes, silence is the strongest response. Not every storm is worth sailing into. You fail a job interview, you feel crushed. But months later, you find a role that fits you better than you ever imagined. What looked like a dead end was just a detour. A problem can be a path, if you let it. Fear is like standing at the edge of a dark forest. Your mind imagines every possible danger. But faith isn't blind belief. It's the courage to take one step, even when you can't see the whole path. Fear says, "What if I fall?" Faith says, "What if I fly?" Let's remember, where thoughts aren't facts, the present moment is safe. Control your response, not the world. Your worst days built you. Not everything deserves your energy. Problems can be paths. Dissolves fear. Worry may still come, but it doesn't have to stay. You are stronger than your fears, calmer than your thoughts, and braver than you know. If this message spoke to you, type "I choose peace" in the comments. It's your promise to yourself. And if you know someone who worries too much, share this with them. You might change their day.